Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Boutique Shop Management System. And I have developed this project in Java JSP and MySQL. The version for the JDK I'm using is JDK 1.8 and the MySQL version is 5.6. For connecting Java JSP with MySQL, I have used the MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. Also, I am running this project on the Tomcat server. The version I am using is the Tomcat version 9. But if you have Tomcat version 7 or 8, you can also configure and run this project. This is a web-based application, so for front-end development, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used, like for form validations, creating integration of the date calendar plugins. I have used the jQuery plugins. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project, Boutique Shop Management System. Let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have developed inside this project. So as I told you earlier, this project title is Boutique Shop Management. It's a Java JSP and MySQL web-based mini DBMS project, meaning because it has only admin functionalities. So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page and it has been designed in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the about project and it's a static about page. This is the admin login. From here, admin will be logged inside the system. If you don't have the user ID and password, then you will not be able to log in. This is a contact us page and it's a static contact us page. I'm not sending any type of email SMS from this page. Even I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. So for admin login, the user ID is admin and the password is test. Once you log inside the system, you will get the dashboard. This is the dashboard, admin dashboard. Right, so this action admin can perform. Even these menu options is available here in the header bar also. So let me go through one by one. Home I already explained you. About us I already explained you. Dashboard, this is a dashboard. This is the add boutique item. From here you will be able to add the boutique items, right? So what is the product type, what is the company, product name, product units, right, per price and descriptions, right? So you will be able to enter the information for adding the product. This is the add cells. From here you will be able to add the cells, right? So here you need to enter the customer name. So I am entering the customer name and the mobile number of the customer, right? You can select the items from this dash, from this drop down, right? You can add any number of items from here. You can remove it also, right? So select here, right? So I am selecting from here, right? And the quantity you can enter and the cost you can enter, right? Suppose 200, right? And after that you can enter the total cost, 300, 400 and 500, right? So you can see total cost is calculating automatically, right? So this is the information which will be entered by you. Once you click on the save cells, then all of the information of this page will be saved into the database. Let me show you. So you can see this all information has been saved into database and this page is rendered from the database values, right? So you can see this is the, if you want to print, just click on the print receipt and this page will be printed from the connected printer, right? So this is the add cells. This is a report. From here you will be able to see all of the items which you have added, right? Even you can copy it, export into the CSV in Excel or PDF or print it also, right? You can search the value from here. Suppose if you want to change, then you can search, right? Even you can edit it, right? And you can update the product, right? This is a sales report. From here you will be able to get all of the sales which you have made, right? If you want to sell, then if you want to search the sales, then you can search it from here also, right? If you want to see the details, means what the items you have sold, you can click on the view details. You will be able to see the details, right? So you can sales report and the last item. So because there are more than 10 sales, right? So you can see here, right? Okay, so you can see this is the items and this you have ordered earlier. Okay. This is a logout. Once you log out from the system, then your session will be destroyed and none of the administration menu will be displayed because this menu is session driven and it renders according to the session, right? So once I click on the logout, you can see none of the administration menu is displaying. But if you log in, then administration menu is displaying, right? If I log out, then none of the administration menu is displaying. So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project, the Boutique Shop Management System, right? and it's a mini project I had developed in Java JSP and MySQL. So if you need more functionality in this project, if you want extra features, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.